In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote an online course with a 5-day sequence. This is a straightforward, no fluff guide you can follow to see results fast, so stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss anything that could boost your course sales. Let's jump right in. First, you need to create urgency. Day 1 is all about building excitement and anticipation. Let your audience know that something big is coming. This could be a sneak peek or teaser of what they can expect from your course. Highlight the benefits and outcomes they'll get, and let them know the doors to your course are opening soon. The goal here is to prime them for action. Get them excited to hear more and want to sign up when the time comes. On day 2, focus on adding value. This is where you give them something free but useful. It could be a short tutorial, a checklist, or a downloadable resource that complements your course material. The key here is to showcase your expertise and build trust. Let your audience feel that they're getting value before they even consider buying your course. By day 3, you're going to provide social proof. Share success stories or testimonials from people who have taken your course or used your method. Show them how real people have already benefited and are achieving the results you promise. People trust social proof, and this can be a big factor in convincing someone to take the plunge and buy your course. On day 4, it's time to make your offer irresistible. You need to present your course in a way that feels like the only solution to their problem. Be clear about what's included in your course and the transformation they'll experience. Also, throw in a bonus to sweeten the deal. A free consultation, an exclusive resource, or access to a private group. When they feel like they're getting more than what they're paying for, the value is undeniable. On day 5, you'll send a final reminder. Reiterate the benefits of your course, remind them of the limited time offer, and give them a last chance to sign up before the offer closes. This creates urgency once again and encourages those who have been on the fence to make a decision. Now, if you're wondering how to automate all of this, I've tested all the most popular software out there. And the software we're using in this video can streamline the entire 5-day sequence for you. You'll have everything from email sequences to landing pages and follow-ups automated in one place. And because you're watching my channel, I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try it out. You can follow along with the link in the description below. The key takeaway here is that a well-crafted 5-day sequence builds anticipation, provides value, leverages social proof, presents an irresistible offer, and creates urgency. These 5 steps can drastically improve your ability to promote an online course successfully. To recap, day 1 is all about anticipation, day 2 provides value, day 3 adds social proof, day 4 makes your offer irresistible, and day 5 pushes urgency with a reminder. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.